Hi friends, I wanted to share with you an opportunity that was presented to me and invite you to be a part of it. In October the 3rd through the 21st, I will be going to India, and along with my friend Audrey Mack, I will be preaching the gospel, ministering and evangelizing, sharing the love of Jesus, laying hands on the sick, and just letting God do whatever His heart wants to do in India. And I'm so excited about this opportunity, but this is where I need your help. I have been able to raise most of the funds I need, but I still need $275. That's not a lot, but all I have is 2 weeks until October 3rd. So what I was asking is that it's really simple. If I had 6 people give $50, I would be able to meet my goal. If I have 11 people give $25, I'll be able to meet my goal. And if I have 18 people give $15, I'll be able to meet my goal. It's not really difficult. There are so many friends out there on Facebook. But I just wanted to give you the opportunity, and if God lays on your heart to be a partner with me and be a part of what God is going to be doing in India, then I will be so thankful, and I will keep you updated with what's going on while I'm there and when I come back. But please be prayerful, and if God does lay anything on your heart, just message me and I will let you know further how you can help support me and send me to India for an awesome opportunity to share the love of Jesus. Thank you so much.